everybody. Happy Friday. Today's workout's going to be a little bit of fun, I think. It's going to be different than anything we've done this week since we started off the week with doing some relaxation stuff and some yoga, some academic stuff. Yesterday was cardio. Today is going to be working on building muscle and hopefully going to fatigue those muscles. Okay, so it's going to feel a little bit different than anything we've done this week. Okay, and it's also going to be a total body workout. It is called a pyramid workout. So it is a pyramid workout because you can put it in this nice little pyramid shape here. All right, and it kind of makes sense. So you start down here with a lower number of repetitions for an exercise. And as you see, the exercises increase in reps. Okay, and so it gets a little bit more difficult at the top, and then once we get to the top, when we go back down the other side, it gets easier again. So as you can see, they are numbered 1 through 9. You're going to start in the bottom left-hand corner with exercise 1, which is right here. Okay, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, once you get to the top, you're going to go back down. Well, doing all of them, 1 through 9, is one round. Okay, so top to bottom is one round. It's going to be your choice on the number of rounds you do today. So you can choose level 1, 2, or 3. Level 1, you complete 2 to 3 rounds. Level 2, you complete 4 to 5 rounds. And level 3, you complete 6 to 7 rounds. Okay, so know if you're going to shoot for 7 rounds, it might take you more than 30 minutes today, okay, to do this. You're going to do it at your own pace. If you don't have that time, we're going to shoot for less than 7 rounds. Okay, so it's going to be up to you how many you complete. You should know a burpee, right? Jump up to the ground. 10 push-ups on your knees or on your feet. 15 tricep dips. We've done those on a chair. The further your feet out, the harder it's going to be. 20 mountain climbers, and then 25 full sit-ups we have done as well. Okay, after you're done, you're going to complete today's exit ticket talking about the workout. All right, making sure that you guys have good, insightful answers. It is some short answer type questions today, so make sure that you guys give those some good thought. So you're going to circle which one you chose. Why did you choose it? Which part of the pyramid was the toughest? So was there a certain exercise? Was it going up the pyramid, going down the pyramid? What was the toughest? And then the last question here is, after completing the workout, explain how your body feels. So some questions to get you thinking on how to answer this. Like, are you out of breath? Are your muscles fatigued? Could you have done more? Did you do too much? Just talk a little bit about there in a couple sentences on how your body feels after this workout. All right, everybody have a good weekend. Get everything turned in. We will see you on Monday.